Understanding estate land titles, rights, claims, and sovereignty. The topic of estate land titles encompasses a complex system of rights, claims, and sovereignty. This educational document explores the foundational concepts of land ownership, the legal frameworks that govern it, and how these elements intertwine to form a secure understanding of one's estate. Each section will delve into essential components that affect land titles and their implications for property owners. The fundamentals of estate land titles. Estate land titles are legal documents that certify the ownership of a piece of property. They outline the boundaries, rights, and any claims against the land. Understanding these fundamentals is key to maintaining clear ownership and avoiding disputes. Rights associated with land ownership. Owning land grants specific rights, including the right to occupy, lease, sell, and use the property. However, these rights can be subject to restrictions, such as zoning laws, easements, and governmental claims. Knowing these rights helps property owners maximize the value and use of their land. Claims against land titles. Claims, such as liens, encumbrances, or unresolved disputes, can complicate land ownership. These claims must be resolved to maintain a clear title. Understanding how to address and resolve these claims is crucial for estate management. Sovereignty and land ownership. Sovereignty refers to the ultimate authority over land. In many cases, governments retain certain powers, such as eminent domain. Landowners should be aware of these sovereign rights to understand how they might impact their property. The role of legal and financial instruments. Legal instruments like deeds and financial instruments like mortgages play pivotal roles in the ownership and transfer of land titles. These documents must be properly executed and recorded to ensure valid and enforceable ownership. Navigating estate land title challenges. Challenges such as title disputes, boundary issues, and tax liens require a strategic approach. Consulting legal and financial professionals can provide clarity and help resolve these issues effectively. This information is for educational purposes only. This is not legal or financial advice. We offer this information as it is presented to us, we neither endorse nor discredit it. Make your own decision regarding the content. For additional resources or questions, subscribe to this YouTube channel.